Seeking a minivan that seamlessly blends practicality, comfort, and affordability? Look no further than the 2024 Fiat Doblo, the ideal companion for your everyday adventures and family escapades. Whether you're shuttling the kids to school, tackling DIY projects, or embarking on weekend camping trips, the Doblo is your trusty sidekick, ready to handle whatever life throws your way. Ready to discover a minivan that redefines versatility and value? In the realm of versatile and family-friendly vehicles, the 2024 Fiat Doblo stands out as a compelling choice. With its spacious interior, practical features, and fuel-efficient engines, the Doblo is ready to tackle the demands of everyday life and beyond. Step inside the Doblo and discover a cabin that prioritizes comfort and functionality. The well-designed seating arrangement offers ample legroom and headroom for up to 7 passengers, making it an ideal choice for growing families or frequent road trips with friends. Whether you're hauling groceries, camping gear, or DIY projects, the Doblo's generous cargo space can accommodate it all. Powering the 2024 Doblo is a range of diesel engines that deliver a balance of performance and efficiency. The 1.3L Multi-Jet and 1.5L Blue HD options provide ample power for city driving and highway cruising, while the 1.6L Multi-Jet/Blue HD variants offer enhanced torque for those who need extra pulling power. With fuel economy figures that surpass many rivals, the Doblo keeps running costs in check. Starting from an estimated price of €22,000, the 2024 Fiat Doblo presents exceptional value for money. When compared to rivals like the Citroën Berlingo, Peugeot Rifter, Vauxhall Combo, and Mercedes-Benz Citan, the Doblo stands out for its spacious interior, affordable price tag, and fuel-efficient engines.